Hi, welcome to Virtual Construction Assistance. Weekly tips and tricks. Our tip for this week is about adding US holidays to your Outlook calendar. Outlook's calendar has a wide variety of extra features. This includes the ability to add holidays to your calendar. As a virtual assistant, it is important to keep track of office days off to adjust meetings and appointments with your clients and get ahead of your task deadlines. Here's how to add US holidays to your Outlook calendar. First, open your Outlook. Click File and then select Options. On your left navigation page, choose Calendar. Under Calendar options, click Add Holidays. Check the box next to United States and then click OK. Note that if the country's holidays are already added to your calendar, the box for the country is already checked. Go back to your Outlook calendar and make sure that the United States holidays is enabled. There you have it. An additional tip. Always check with your client if you will be working during the US holidays or not, okay? That's all for this week. See you again on the next episode of VCA Tips and Tricks.